this will give us a bunch more.
We're pulling your engine out next week and painting it up, and
Maybe we can put the clutch in while it's out.
we'll need
The
to
clutch is in. Shut up, Titus. Okay, hold on a second here.
Oops.
I think you're okay.
It's still gonna go up.
It's got to go up a little
It's
bit more.
on.
I thought we were
It's
already.
still laying on these bolts.
Yeah, it's still laying on.
Don't cut your arm on that corner.
It'll heal.
This one's out.
A little bit of blood just wasn't the job well done.
Exactly. Gotta bleed to make sure you're all right here.
Just far out of the requirement. Well, I don't know how much weight's it going to have. Well, let's see.
Alright. It's fine. Just gives us more angle.
Okay, hold it right there.
How much
Can you,
weight's
how does it? How heavy does it feel back there? It's not bad.
Take this block out.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll hold this and we'll just get a jack.
Okay.
Maybe 50 pounds. I don't think that.
I don't think you gotta hold it anymore, Dan. It's out there. You just punch it.
I'll swing back.
Yeah.
Watch it. Yeah, you good?
Yeah, that's not good.
Yep, we're good.
It's $16,000 sitting there.
Yeah,
Vortex.
yeah, exactly.
Vortex,
Well, the
yeah.
only thing that scares me is these bolts.
They're as strong as you can get.
I know, but you know what I'm saying. We talked about that before.
It's a aluminum intake manifold.
It's just,
It's not
it's like-
solid.
It's just a
It's like,
thread.
I try not to think about it.
I think it freaks everybody out the first time.
Yeah.
Yeah, this probably would have been a bitch to roll in my driveway that's crumbling
Oh,
into pieces.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Because it's not even rolling that well right now.
Yeah. Yeah, this is going to give us a bunch more angles. It'll be great.
I think we'll do it with the sugar capsule because it brought in the
Yeah.
pressure.
Yep. Try to whatever. Oh, hold on. I got my hand there. It's not gonna hit.
You guys, Dad and I will push. Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
Yep. Clear? Yep.
Are we clear?
Yep.
Okay. Got another 9 inches or so. 4, 3, 2. You're okay. Let's take a look. What do we see?
Yeah.
We can go back a little bit more. We probably got another
Let's go another
3 inches or
Do
so.
you guys want to drop it all?
Oh, yep, that's fine. I got it. It's not gonna hit you.
Okay, yeah, let's go ahead.
What's my hand scars here?
Now, you ready to go down?
Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot better here. Now we're clear. Almost clear. You wanna get under there, Dan?
Tell you what,
We didn't? We getting close?
let's drop another about an inch.
Yeah, that'll, then we'll be able to angle it.
That's good right here.
How does it look this way, Dad? We need to.
Probably
Looks like try my way.
come over, yeah. Definitely over that way. I got this, sir. Don't worry about this. Getting- Okay.
So now how do we look left and right?
Yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad. Any improvement or good enough for now? Yeah, it's good enough for now.
Look, try to come back a little more. Okay, that's a lower.
Okay.
As long as I'm worried about right here.
We'll lower a little bit, Dan, so hold on. Everything looks good from here. Just about clear up here. Looking pretty good
Your
here.
hands okay there?
Yep, we're all good. Looking good.
Okay, let's pause.
I think we need to go ahead and run the jack back towards the back of the car a little bit, because I think we're all trying to hold it from coming forward right now, aren't we? I am. But I
That'll
don't
be
know
a
if
little bit too, I don't know.
I'd say 2 inches.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Go back.
Yeah, back toward us, me 2 inches.
Well, that's gonna be hard for me. Okay. You got it, Dan? Can I?
Yeah, I'm good back
That's
here.
good. That's good. Okay. What do you think, Dan? You want to lower some?
Everything looks great down
It
here.
looks good
Looks
here.
good
A
here.
little lower.
Yeah. You okay down at the bottom of the bell housing?
One thing I'm trying to watch the starter. Hold up right there. Probably got to be able to come back and clear the starter here a little bit. Okay, go your way, Ted, Greg.
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. Okay.
Down.
Everybody ready to go down?
Let's pause 1 second.
Okay.
Pull this
How
back.
do you guys? Should I start picking up on the tail shaft?
I
Not
think
unless
we
you need to.
come down a little bit more before we
Yeah.
do that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd save your guts for now.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Greg, I need to come your way just a tad.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good here if you guys are good.
Yeah.
We're good.
Okay.
Okay. Let's
Okay.
pause.
Let's gotta
Um,
go back just a little bit more to get to the motor mount.
I think I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start jacking this thing.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
I think
if
you
we
should.
If we could go back about 2 inches first, I'd feel better because I'm going to bang your starter here on this motor mount. That's what I'm worried about.
Back.
Yeah,
Ready?
Yep. Okay, that's good.
that looks good. I think it'll float here now. Yeah. It's going to pass that starter.
You need this under there.
Watch the corner of your head. Watch the corner of my head.
Yeah.
You got one of those blockheads?
Okay.
Let's do that there. So what are you guys seeing up there?
Well,
Looks good.
we're ready to lower some more, I guess.
They said lower a little bit more, maybe.
You want to pick up that tail shaft a half inch or so first?
It's about as all. That's about good right there.
Not too bad. Looks like as we go down, I only got to go back about 1.5 inches on this side to be able to get the motor mount.
Well, yeah, but you gotta go down about 3 inches.
Yeah.
Yep.
But we're just
Going
kinda-
down.
Yep.
Firewall look
We
okay?
got about another half an inch to go back before we.
Yeah, hold up. Let's take a
Firewall
look.
looks good, Dan.
Okay.
Okay, I'm getting real close to my motor mount.
Yeah, I'm getting pretty close over here too.
Looks like tail shaft needs to come up just a little bit.
Let's pause.
Start squaring it.
Yeah, I think we need to put a rag around the edge of that old panel side.
I think we're pretty good. Getting very close to the motor mounts.
You ticklish? Goosey?
I don't know.
Seeing this right here? It's gonna stay. See that? Right
Yeah.
there?
Yeah. Watches on there.
I can hold that on there.
Well, wait, see.
Here's the tape.
Are you right over top of your motor mount?
Yep.
This looks really
It just
good.
needs to go back maybe half an inch. An inch.
I'm thinking as Dan picks up the tail shaft, it's going to be almost perfect on
Yeah.
my side.
Yep.
I just have to watch here. We won't let it scrape on this firewall
Yep.
once he brings that up.
Yeah. Well, let's figure out what's gonna scrape. That's why I got my hand in here. You got yours in there, so I think we're okay there.
Yeah.
It scrapes. It's gonna scrape our hand.
You guys really holding that or just?
Well, we're just
Keeping it
keeping
from
it
wiggling it.
steady.
It's just pretty close. If
Yeah.
it goes flopping around, it'll scratch something. So
We're just gonna have to, when we drop it really, really slow.
Tell you what, that never sees. Why don't we
Probably got
smear
another-
some in that hole? Can you
Yeah,
get it in the hole or do you want to put it
inches
on
in here.
a bolt? Okay.
yeah.
Dan, we got a few inches in here. You can actually go up.
I can go up.
Yeah.
I'd bring that up ever so slightly to keep this squared up before we drop that motor on down. Don't want to get this motor mount in the line here.
Don't get old, you get shaky.
Where did the engine come?
Them crazy bolts though have a tendency to want to freeze up in the
Yes, they do.
rubber.
It's a steel one, sir.
So, you guys want me to put it up a little bit?
I think so.
Right? You think so?
Yeah, I think in the back you can go up.
Okay, you're gonna go up slow.
Yep. And it'll start to level this thing out.
Okay, tell me when to stop.
You can keep going.
Keep going.
Yep.
That's probably good right there, Dan.
Yeah,
As
that's
we
good.
lower the motor,
We
we
just-
just talk back.
Just
Now,
lower
if
the motor
anything,
now.
Greg, I think
We're right. I'm lined up.
I'm lined up pretty good. If anything, the motor's back a little too far to the rear of the car.
Yeah, I think it'll be fine. When he comes down, I think it'll angle back down.
Well, it's actually going to go back further, but we can pull it.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Yep. I'm inside my just about an inch high on the holes. How you doing? You in? I'm good right there. I can put a bolt mine right there if we stop.
Okay, put your bolt in, because mine's not quite lined up. So come down a little bit more on this side.
Should I go up because the rear's still sitting really low?
I would hold off, Dan, till we get this bolt in. And I think we're within a half an inch or maybe an inch of getting the other bolt in.
Maybe just a hair high yet?
Yep.
Well, yeah, you could probably push down on that.
No, that's true. Yeah, I can.
Yeah, push
Yeah, I can just.
push down while he puts the bolt in. That way we don't have to just.
Leave up just.
I'm going.
Now it's been in the motor. Now I have on the backside.
Oh.
Yeah, the tail needs to come up.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, bring the tail up just a little bit and we'll finish putting this bolt in. It's springing around.
Yeah. This one's getting real close. Is that going in now? Should pretty much go in.
Keep going a little bit. It still can go up another inch and a half.
Dan, can you look at this and tell us which way we need to go here?
Oh yeah, hold on. It needs to come up.
Up?
Yeah, the engine needs to come up because it's sitting low.
Well, this one's
Just a
lined
little-
up,
right there. There you go.
and this one's lined up on this side, I think. Let me get this one right there.
Your side needs to go down or up in
Was
the
it?
back anyways.
Let's see where
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah,
On
it's
the
gotta,
back anyways.
gotta go down on your side. There you go. Just
Back a little weight off the jack, maybe.
Is it? Yeah, tap it in.